Hello, first graders, and welcome to your writing job for today. So, let's take a look at our target skill. Our target skill for today, boys and girls, is I can use adjectives that are just right in place of words that repeat. So, boys and girls, if we reach into our brains from yesterday, we'll remember that adjectives are describing words. Do you remember what kind of words adjectives describe? Adjectives describe nouns, which is a noun is a person, place, or thing. Boys and girls, when we are doing our writing, we do not want to have words that repeat. Would it be exciting to read a sentence that said, or a story that had the same word over and over again? No. So today we're going to talk about how you can use adjectives to make your writing more exciting. So let's get started. So, using words that are just right to describe nouns. So, we have a couple sentences here. Our town has a fun park. Our town has a fun park. What kind of park is it? It's a fun park. Now, boys and girls, that may be true. It may be a fun park. But let's make our writing more exciting because, close your eyes, when I say a fun park, what do you think in your brain? Can you see, does it have slides? What size is it? I don't know. I just know that someone thinks that it is fun. So, let's take a look at our words and which one would make this sentence more exciting. Busy. Our town has a busy park. We could say that. Our town has a new park. Our town has a tall park. Does that one make sense? Our town has a red park. Ask yourself, does it make sense? Our town has a square park. Our town has a round park. Our town has a large park. Or our town has a long park. So, boys and girls, more than one of these words makes sense and could make your writing more exciting. Today, instead of the word fun, I am going to pick the word large. So I'm going to cross it off and write it on the blank. Our town has a large park. What is the noun that I am describing with my word large? It is the park. Now our next sentence says, there is a fun slide. There's that word again, boys and girls. We already said there was a fun park. Now there is a fun slide. What makes the slide fun? I am going to say there is a round slide. Have you ever been on one of those round slides that spins you around and around and around until you get to the bottom? So I am going to make my writing more exciting by replacing the word fun in this sentence with the word round. There is a round slide. Now, I like to go in the fun tunnel. There is that word fun again. It doesn't tell me a lot about the tunnel. So I'm going to cross it off and make my writing more exciting. I like to go into the tunnel. I'm going to say the long tunnel. Have you ever crawled through or walked through a tunnel that was really long? The long tunnel. The sandbox is fun. There is that word again in this story. The sandbox is fun. That doesn't tell me a lot about the sandbox. So, I'm going to pick a new word to describe the sandbox. The sandbox is busy. I'm going to pick the word busy. What does that tell me about the sandbox, boys and girls? Well, if the sandbox is busy, that means kids probably really enjoy it. Alrighty, boys and girls. This is just one way to make your writing more exciting, to switch up your adjectives. So, something can be good, but if I use the same word, like this word fun, then my writing is no longer exciting. All right, moving forward. We are going to write a sentence about this picture. Will you help me today, boys and girls? Let's write a sentence about this picture. This is a picture that I took when I went on vacation to Cappadocia. What do you see in this picture? I wrote the sentence, "The balloons fly in the sky." The balloons fly in the sky. Now, boys and girls, what is the noun in this sentence? Or what is one of the nouns in this sentence? The balloons. My sentence is about the balloons. Did I use any describing words? I didn't use any describing words. I didn't use any adjectives. So, to make my writing more exciting, I could say, the colorful balloons fly in the sky. Does that tell you a little bit more about the balloons? I could also say, the large, colorful balloons fly in the sky. Does that tell you even more about the balloons that I saw on my vacation? It does. So today, boys and girls, in your interactive notebook, you are going to write 3 describing sentences. You are going to write 3 sentences, and you are going to highlight the adjectives that you use to describe the noun. Have fun, first graders!